Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see the real user review of using this Aristocrat medium size suitcase trolley bag, which is of 65 centimeters with the 4 wheels hardbody trolley bag or trolley suitcase, you can say. And this is the overall look. You can see the branding here, Aristocrat. See, Aristocrat. This is the full look. I'll show you the rear look also. And currently this trolley bag from Aristocrat has like 10 to 12 pairs inside, and still it is looking very lightweight because the trolley itself is very lightweight. Even though it is hard trolley, the user has been using this for the past 1 year, and this comes with the 4 wheels. See here. Let us check the rear side also, and there is one top handle here. Yeah, let us flip here. So this is the rear view, and this comes with a single zip, means one single cabinet here, and here also branding. Yeah, if you observe, there are small scratches which are very invisible, but there are small scratches appear because the user has been traveling on and off on buses and also in the train. He carried this trolley bag into the train also. That's the reason. And this comes with the 3-digit lock system. See here. And there is a side handle also. And the user shared his overall experience, the genuine real experience of using this Aristocrat 65 centimeters trolley bag. I'll share you in the coming part. Yeah, let us put this down. And see here, for the resting there are 3 hard-sided plastic pins were given. And yeah, see here. And the rotation, 360 rotation also very good, even though it has only 4 wheels. And on the wheels, and this is the silver thing, this extension handle, there is a button at the top. Yeah, this is the button. Or let us remove this cover so that I can show you. So for a moment let me show it. And this is silver and rust free. Yeah, for the past 1 year the user is using this, and the button is working good. Yeah, see here. And when he is just using this trolley, it feels lightweight. The user especially mentioned this lightweight. That is one advantage of this trolley bag, you can say. And this is not scratch free, as you observed, small scratches in between. Yeah, and this is the lock system. You just need to keep the lock whatever it may be. For now the user didn't kept any lock. He just used all 3 digits as 0 0 0. So 0 0, and the third one also 0. And now just flip this button to top so that it gets unlocked. So let us check the inside view first. Later we can discuss. There is a strap here to hold the clothes. There are around like 9 to 10 pairs here now in the trolley suitcase. And this is not a cabinet, just the zipper, just a waterproof sort of material. This is not a zip. Okay, this is one cabinet. At the top there is another cabinet. A zipper model is there, where you may keep some documents or paperwork or other clothes even at the top. Yeah, this is for the extension. And I'll remove this strap and I'll show you. And this is one cabinet where you can keep some documents or files, something like that. It is paper proof material, so that yeah, it's safe. This is the cover which is given when the user purchased from the online. He purchased in Flipkart, and during the purchase it was something like 2,300 or something like that. For 65 centimeters the price varies, and there is also smaller trolley bag which is 55 centimeters also available. At the end I'll show you the Flipkart details also, okay, at the end of the video. And one thing the user mentioned is the quality of this one. This is not that hard, a little bit of delicate. Yeah, except this everything is good, and the zip is working fine for the past 1 year. This is slightly delicate feel, or else all other things were good. And this strap removing also is pretty simple. So let me just take this out. The extension, you can see the elasticity. That's it. You can easily remove that strap and keep some clothes and use this strap as the binding thing, because sometimes we will flip this trolley bag. That simple it was. Yes, that simple. Yeah. So let me just close this trolley bag once. Yeah. And coming to the wheels, there are 4 wheels, and this got 360-degree rotation, smooth rotation. And yeah, you can see the wheels. Okay. Many people prefers 8 wheels, yeah, but due to the budget or something, this is 4-wheel model from Aristocrat. And coming to the build quality and the material, they mentioned it's hard, but the user feels like this is not that hard, but medium, you can say. Medium, you can say. That's the reason it's looking a pretty lightweight, easy and convenient to carry. And this handle also not that heavy builded handle, but lightweight, you can say, medium hardness, you can say. Yeah, see the rotation, comfort. There will be a lot of comfort when using this. Yeah, there is a side handle also. At times when you want to carry this, there is side handle and the top handle too. There were no damages reported all through this year. And when you want to lock it, just flip the button up here and you can lock. The user is pretty much satisfied with this trolley bag, except the small scratches and the inner zip material, the plastic sort of thing, zipper. Except these two things, the user is pretty much satisfied. Let us check Flipkart details. Yeah, see here, coming to the online details, it is now showing 1999, which is 2000. The user also bought this somewhere around this price, and remember this is 65. If you keep it to 55 online, the price would be reasonably less according to the size only. Whatever the requirement you have different colors also, different sizes, 3 different sizes. Okay. And the rating, coming to the rating, it got 4.3, and there were many ratings, means many users already bought this, and the current user also was satisfied for this. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.